So guys, in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed comparison between Unity Ads and AdMob. So Unity Ads and AdMob are both popular mobile advertising platform, but they have different features, target audience and integration method. So what are these? Let's talk about. So first, if we talk about developer platform, so Unity Ads is integrated within the Unity game development engine. It is primarily targeted towards game developers who are using Unity to build their games. Whereas in AdMob is a simple mobile advertising platform provided by Google. It is not tied to any specific development platform and can be integrated into any mobile application, whether it is made from Android Studio or iOS development. Okay, so if we talk about target audience, so Unity Ads primarily targets game developer and is well suited for integrating ads into mobile game applications. Whereas in AdMob, it targets wider audience and not only just game developers, it can offer any who are creating non-game applications also. And if we talk about ad format, so Unity Ads offer variety of ad format tailored specifically for mobile games, including rewarded video ads, interstitial ads and banner ads. Whereas AdMob provides a wide range of ad format suitable for both games and non-games application, including banner ads, interstitial ads, rewarded ads, native ads and more. So moving ahead, if we talk about revenue sharing and payouts, so for Unity Ad, it provides revenue sharing for developer based on ad impression and user interaction, and payouts are typically made on monthly basis. As we know that it has a threshold of 60 days and we must have to complete 60 days to get the payment. But in AdMob, there is no any threshold of 60 days. It just gives the payment on monthly basis. Developers can track their earning and performance metrics through AdMob dashboard. And if we conclude the video, what we find? So Unity Ads is well suited for game developers, and if we use Unity, so if we are developing a game, so we must integrate Unity Ads because it is providing well suited ads for game application. Whereas AdMob on the other hand target broader audience of mobile application and mobile developers. So if we conclude the video, we find out that Unity Ads is well suited for game developers while AdMob target broader audience and it also have variety of ad format. And ultimately the choice between Unity Ads and AdMob depends on the factors such as the nature of application, target audience and developer preference. Thank you.